Meme coins are starting to rally again. What's going on with Pepe coin? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Pepe coin. We're taking a look at price action, technical analysis, and some news that's indicating bullish things ahead for Pepe coin. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite meme coin during this rush, because again, there have been so many popular coins. Solana coins are going crazy. Pepe's going crazy. Dogecoin as well, doing great. But we are starting to see some green across the board, which is great. Bitcoin slowly coming back to $60,000, down 10%. Even ETH slowly come back to $3,000 mark, down roughly 6%. We're taking a look at the fear and greed index. We can see we're now at a 47 neutral, which in my opinion, we're slowly creeping into fear. However, this could recover this week as the ETFs are live for BTC and is live for ETH in basically North America, Japan, and also coming Hong Kong, and coming very soon to Australia as well. Now let's go ahead to trending tab and take a look at what's going on here. We see Bitcoin trending up 2% at the #1 spot, and Pepe trending at number 8, up 10% on the day. The great part is, yes, it's pumping, but there's still a chance to enter, because when we look at the 1 month, guys, we can see basically all the gains that we lost are coming back 3%. So it hasn't pumped past that 1 month mark. In terms of the week, we see we're down 5%. So there's still some room for some gains to be made. When we look on the 1 year, obviously we're up dramatically. We're up 500%, and we can see it was pumping nice. And we saw some pullback, a nice basing, and pop off. We're anticipating if Bitcoin continues to rally the way it is, we are going to see a even higher high than this previous all-time high as well, which again is very exciting for Pepe. A great time to load up the bag if you don't own any Pepe, as some bullish momentum looks like it's coming ahead for Pepe. Talking about bullish momentum, here's a project you should be very bullish for, and that is Wiener AI, the future of trading. Yeah, you got it right. You got Wiener, a dog, and AI all mushed together, and you get this beast of a creation. They've already raised $800,000 and it's just launched a couple of days ago. In 2 days, they're going to have an increased price, so you may as well load up a bag while the prices are looking this solid. Not only is this an awesome meme coin, but they got staking as well with upwards of 1100% APY. Where are you going to get that kind of interest paid? Absolutely nowhere. Wiener AI is absolutely crushing it. They have a total 940 stake, 36% of the WAI stake, 111% AP, and then the rewards distributed so far, which is absolutely insane. They've been featured in a bunch of different articles. And what is Wiener AI? It is your revolutionary AI token trading partner with unparalleled capabilities. Wiener AI is the ultimate asset for every crypto trader. So enhanced AI trading, seamless swaps, zero fees, and not just a bot. This one's super crazy. Again, it's just on pre-sale. It just went live, so you might want to grab a bag and load up before this puppy launches. Guys, we cover pre-sale coins on this channel often, and we literally seen journeys going from small 100, 200,000 raise to by the time it's launched $15, $20 million raise. So you don't want to miss out on this gem. Let's go back to Pepe and see what's going on. Also, Pepe coin massive futures buy indicate imminent Pepe price rally. Whales move Pepe coin N3. Here's a transaction. So again, whales are entering, a bunch of crazy things going on. Now, before we look at the news, let's actually go ahead and take a look at the technicals. On the 1 day, the summary is a strong buy, as oscillators indicate buy, moving averages indicate a strong buy. People want to load up on Pepe, and it looks like whales are also entering the mix as well. We see a $3.18 billion market cap, which is absolutely insane. I believe now Pepe is number 4 in terms of the meme coins in terms of market cap. No, it's number 3. So Pepe actually flipped dog with hat again, which is absolutely insane, making it top 3 cryptocurrency. And also, if you really think about it, it's one of the only coins that's not a dog. Dogecoin dog, Shiba Inu dog, Pepe's a frog. Dog with hat dog, bonk dog, Floki dog, and then Book of Memes also a, I guess, frog as well. But it's kind of crazy how this frog has managed to go sway all the way up to the top 3 spot. Technicals are looking great. And then we could look at the whales. So whale move for Pepe coin, and these 3 here are the transactions. So Pepe has experienced a great rise and decline in the past period, and has recently re-enter the radar of investors. Data analysis platform Spot on Chain detect a whale named this purchase 331.3 billion PEP, approximately $2.24 million on the Binance exchange, which is an investment made even more noteworthy by the fact that Binance deposit address, which shows that the whale was a smart investor and made a profit on all of his UNI holdings before the price crash. Whale withdrew 660 billion PEP, approximately $4.57 million from Binance and MXG exchange in the last 3 days. This indicates the whale is a long-term believer in Pepe and expects the prices will rise again. That is pretty insane. So again, this whale kind of understands what's going on. Looks like he exited right before it dumped and rebought it at the bottom again, which is very, very smart, basic investing strategies. But the point is, whales are re-entering the mix, and we are going to see this go on a bullish run. Pepe coin massive futures buy indicated imminent price rally for Pepe. So Pepe coin surges over 14% amid a strong whale accumulation. Whale buying Pepe heavily, reflecting bullish sentiment towards the meme coin. Pepe futures open interest rises, reflecting growth, traders' confidence in the meme coin's future. So again, a ton of bullish news ahead for everyone's favorite frog themed token, Pepe. Now, guys, if you haven't already, it'd be a great time to load up a bag of Pepe. But also make sure you check out Wiener AI. Opportunities like this don't always come by. Looks like we sniped this one, so if you want to get in super early, I'm going to link it down in the description below where you can load up a bag. Like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.